Hello, welcome to Fun Doodles. Today we are drawing Easter Bunny. If you have drawing ideas or want to make an art submission, please email to below. Let's begin. First, let's find the middle of the paper. We will put Bunny's face here. The face is this wide, and that will make the face super cute. Mark both sides of the face. Now use a curved line, connect the dots. Let's do the top half first. You can do it in sections to make it easier for yourself. Now the bottom half, also a curved line. Alright, that's the face of the bunny. Now let's move on to the ears, which is the most important feature for a bunny. The ears will be a little longer than the face, so let's measure up how big the face is, and whoop, that's the height of the ears. And I want ear to tilt this way, so whoop, that's the position for this ear. And I want the other ear to tilt this way, and that's the spot for this ear. Alright, now we connect the ear back to the middle right here. And now we connect the ears back to the middle point like this. And the other side goes back like this. Now the other ear also goes back to the middle. And the other side. Alright, now we draw the eyes. Where are the eyes? They line up with the side of the ears, like this. We make a little oval for this eye, and another oval for this eye. And where is the nose? Well, the nose sits in between two eyes right here. Make a dot. And the top is a 3 flipped on its side. Draw a little 3 angled 90 degrees like this. See? And now we connect the bottom. There you go. We got her nose. And the mouth sits right below the nose. For the Easter bunny, I'm gonna give her a little smiley mouth like this. In order to accentuate her ears, I'm gonna add a fold inside. And that's just gonna sit inside of the ears outline, but a little smaller, like this. And the other one. The face is done! What a cute bunny, right? And now we're gonna draw her little paws. They will hold the Easter egg. So the first one will be over here, shaped like a letter C. And the other one is on the other side, and like a C but in reverse. Like this. And we draw the little fingers. Next, let's make the egg that the little bunny is holding with her paws. And the egg is a big oval. The egg will be a little bigger than her head. So let's measure up her head, which is this much, and whoop, mark that spot for the location of the egg. Now we connect it to the paws by using a curve. And the other side, also a big curve. That's our Easter egg. Now we draw her feet on either side of the egg, and it looks like a long C. And the other one is a long C in reverse. And the little toes. Great! It's a bunny holding an Easter egg. Let's add a few more eggs to make it more fun. I want to draw one more over here. But I don't want to draw it straight up. I want to draw it tilted. So mark the spot for the bottom and tilt it up. Make a mark. Now connect the points with big curves just like before. On this side, stop at the foot and then continue after. One more egg over here, and I want to tilt it up like this. So make the mark at the bottom and a mark at the top. And connect the points with the big curve. And the other side comes back down, but stop at the egg where this one is blocking it, and resume at the bottom. On the other side, I want this egg to go up like this. So mark the bottom and whoop, mark the top. Now connect the 2 points just like before, but stop at this foot and resume at the bottom and connect the other side. The last egg goes up like that. Mark the bottom and the top and use arcs to connect them. Alright, you just finished the outlines for this drawing. Great work! Now let's start coloring. First, I will grab some pinks to color her cheeks, which are right below her eyes and shaped like ovals. Her little nose will be pink as well. And don't forget the fold in her ears. They're pink too. Alright, on to the next color. Now I will color the bunny. Her ears and her face, I will use a color that is slightly lighter than an orange. When you color, as always, reinforce the outline, so that when you color the space in the middle, you won't go outside the line. Now you can go ahead and color the middle part. So after we finish the face, then we can go ahead and color the ears and her feet. So now the bunny is done, but we will color the Easter eggs now, which are the fun part here. Because it's Easter, we'll use pastel colors, like very, very pretty colors, and color each one of the eggs. You can use whatever color you like as long as it's colorful and it's bright, because that symbolizes spring, right? So you can use whatever color you like and draw cute patterns for each egg. At this point, I'm really happy with the bunny and the Easter eggs, but I still want to draw something else that looks very pretty in spring, and those are flowers. So I start with drawing some pink circles around. These are the centers of the flowers and they contain seeds. And now I will use other colors for the petals. You can use whatever color you like and draw as many flowers as you like. I draw 4 here and I'm really happy. Finally, our drawing of the Easter Bunny is done. If you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe. See you next time.